Well, United Way of Lancaster County is here with Constellation Home to install a brand new heating system for one of our Lancaster County residents. And this is someone who is struggling with medical issues, and their family is struggling with a fixed income, and they have a heating system that's more than 2 decades old, and we're going to supply them with a brand new, more efficient energy system, something that can heat their home and makes a tremendous difference in the quality of their life.
The unit was more than 26 years old. Today, Constellation Home has blessed him with a new furnace system. I nominated him because he had suffered a stroke 13 years ago, and he has aphasia, he can't speak, so I am his voice. So I figured that he's a good candidate because he lives on a fixed income, and there is no way that he can afford to get a new system put in this house for him. I was ecstatic because out of all the applications that went in, he was blessed to be selected.
The Gift of Warmth program is really something that resonates with everyone. It allows people in the community to nominate someone they know, whether that's a friend, a family member, a coworker, someone that lives down the street from them that may be struggling in one way or another. Nominate them to receive a brand new heating system installed for free and really make a difference in their life.
Working for a company that gives the gift of warmth is a great thing because it lets you know that that company cares about the people it's providing for, not just itself and its own dollar. I enjoy helping others, and this is my chance to help others.
It's just a win-win for everyone, and this is really what we look for with all of the companies and all of the individuals that we partner with to make the lives better for the people in our community.